Hey everyone, welcome back. Did PayPal suddenly stop working right after you've updated your iPhone to a new iOS version? This is extremely common and here's the fix. First, restart your iPhone completely. Press and hold the side button and volume down together. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds and turn it back on. iOS updates sometimes create temporary conflicts with apps, and a clean restart fixes most of them. After restarting, open the App Store and then tap on your profile picture at the top right and scroll down to look for a PayPal update in the playlist. PayPal almost always releases a compatibility patch right after a major iOS update, so check for it and tap update if you see it. If there is no update yet and PayPal is still broken, go to your settings app and then go to general, then iPhone storage, scroll down, look for PayPal and offload the app. Then reinstall it fresh from App Store. This gives you a clean install and that's fully compatible with your current iOS version. So all you've got to do is restart iPhone, check App Store for PayPal update, and if it's still broken, offload and reinstall. PayPal working on new iOS. Subscribe for more PayPal fixes.